Change the layer to column layer. Now make a rectangle of 9 inches by 12 inches. So type RAC, enter. Specify first corner point, left click, and now right click and select dimensions. So type 9 inches, enter, by 12 inches, enter. Now zoom in. Specify other corner point, left click. Similarly, create the other two rectangles, which is 9 inches by 18 inches and 9 inches by 24 inches. So type RAC, enter. Specify first corner point, left click, now right click and select dimensions. So 9 inches, enter, by 18 inches, enter. Specify other corner point, left click. RAC, enter, left click, right click, dimensions, 9 inches, enter, 24 inches, enter. Now left click. Now we are ready with basic columns blocks. 9 inches by 12 inches, 9 inches by 18 inches, 9 inches by 24 inches. You might be thinking how we decided that this particular column will be able to take the loads or not. For finding out the load carrying capacity of RCC columns and beams, we do structural analysis and design in a specialized software like ETABS. Through this software, you come to know that columns of a structure will pass or not. If the columns fail, then we increase the size of the column or we reoriented the column to pass the load test. The same approach we follow as we go higher and higher in the number of stories. Inshallah, I will explain this in the practical course on structural analysis of RCC buildings using ETABS, Stat Foundation and Excel, after completing the practical AutoCAD course.